In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to pair and set up your JBL Flip 7 with your Android phone. Now, the first thing you want to do, even before turning on your speaker, is to go to the Google Play Store and have this app installed, JBL Portable. So have that app installed and then you can launch the app. It's going to start looking for your speaker. So now you want to turn on your speaker, assuming it's the first time you're turning on the speaker. And it's going to go into pairing mode immediately, and your phone should discover that the device. Okay, so there should be a pop-up. If not, you can go into settings, connections, and Bluetooth. So basically go to your Bluetooth settings and then connect manually. So it's in pairing mode. You can see the blink. If it doesn't go into pairing mode, you can press this button, and when it's blinking like that, it means the speaker is in pairing mode. So under available devices, you can see the Flip 7. Tap on it to pair and connect. So once it's connected, you should see this pop up again. Okay, now it wants you to save to your Google account. You can do that, or maybe skip that for now. So you can go to the JBL Portable app, and you'll notice in the Portable app, since you've already connected via Bluetooth, it's going to actually pick up the speaker, and you have the page to manage your speaker. So this is where you can manage your custom equalizer settings. You can enable and disable playtime boost, your stereo group, your product information, all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.